Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will learn about sentence structure. Understanding sentence structure is fundamental for effective communication in both spoken and written language. So, what is sentence structure? Sentence structure refers to the way a sentence is arranged grammatically. It encompasses how sentences are constructed from words and phrases to convey meaning in a coherent manner. What are the components of a sentence? There are two components of sentence, subject and predicate. Subject is the noun or pronoun that is described by verb. It usually answers the question who or what is performing the action in the sentence. And what is the predicate? Predicate is the part of sentence that provides information about the subject, like what subject is doing. It includes verb and all other words that describe what subject is doing or what is being said about the subject. For example, she runs every morning. She is a subject. Runs every morning in this sentence is predicate. What are the types of sentences? There are four types of sentences: simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, compound complex sentences. So these are the four types of sentences. Understanding these type of sentences is important for understanding sentence structure because each type has a unique purpose and grammatically characteristics that affect how ideas are expressed and communicated. Understanding clauses. Clauses are the group of words that contain a subject and a verb, a predicate, and function as a complete idea within a sentence. There are two types of clauses, independent clauses and dependent clauses. Independent clauses stand alone as complete sentences, and dependent clauses rely on independent clauses to make a sense. An independent clause, also known as a main clause, is a group of words that can stand alone as a complete sentence because it expresses a complete thought. It contains a subject, a predicate, and expresses a complete idea or action. For example, she likes to read book. Dependent clauses. Dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause, is a group of words that contain a subject, a predicate, but does not express a complete thought. It relies on an independent clause to form a complete sentence and function as a noun, as an adjective, or as adverb within the sentence. For example, because she likes to read book. This clause is a dependent clause, also known as subordinate clause, because it cannot stand alone. Let's know about types of sentences. Simple sentences. A simple sentence consists of one independent clause with a subject and a predicate. It expresses a single complete thought or idea. For example, she runs every morning. This is a simple sentence because it has only one independent clause with a single subject she and a single predicate. Runs every morning expresses a complete thought. Compound sentences. Compound sentence consists of two independent clauses joined together by coordinating conjunction such as and, for, but, or, so, yet. Each independent clause in a compound sentence can stand alone as a complete sentence. For example, she runs every morning and she swims every evening. This sentence is a compound sentence because it contains two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction expressing two complete thoughts. Complex sentences. A complex sentence consists of one independent clause, that is the main clause, and at least one dependent clause. Subordinate clause. The dependent clause cannot stand alone as a complete sentence and depend on the main clause for its meaning. For example, because she likes swimming, she swims every evening. This is a complex sentence because it contains an independent clause, she swims every evening, and a dependent clause, because she likes swimming, joined by a subordinating conjunction expressing a main idea and a supporting reason. Compound complex sentences. A compound complex sentence consists of at least two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. It combines the features of both compound and complex sentences. For example, because she likes swimming, she swims every evening and she runs every morning. This is a compound complex sentence because it contains two independent clauses. She swims every evening and she runs every morning, joined by a coordinating conjunction and also a dependent clause because she likes swimming, subordinated to one of the dependent clauses, creating a complex structure with multiple ideas and relationships. Understanding sentence structure is key to effective communication. By understanding different types of sentences and clauses, you can express yourself clearly and confidently in writing and speech. Like this video and subscribe to TS Academy Atlas.